guys, so it's 3 a.m, the spooky hour, and we're unboxing eBay mystery boxes right now. It's really
I don't know where Alexa is gone.
Alexa. Well,
as you can see, these are most definitely real. Definitely. Very good quality. Yes, we are in our other unboxing room. We're not in our fan mail room. Okay, we found a Alexa.
yes.
Did we find Alexa? No, we didn't find Alexa, but it's fine.
Okay, so we have this really nice box.
It's totally not covered in lipstick.
Yeah, really nice stickers. I love the effort they put into making.
Okay. So
Oh yes, this is selfie of the box creator.
okay, so now we like
Yes, let's open
a letter.
Japanese mystery.
Misery box. Please no refund. I like phrases. Okay, that's the best letter. What does it say? Nothing.
We go. So
iPad.
kawaii box. Guys, by the way, these boxes are kawaii themed.
Look, a broken iPad.
This is really kawaii though. It's the kawaii theme. They're sticking with the theme, which I like. Most boxes don't do that.
Yes.
Oh, they stick with the theme even more here. Okay.
He gave us a broken iPad. I'm so happy.
Look at all this. Guys, we don't get any charger, we just get the
Plugs,
Yes.
and games, and Sonic. Not sponsored. Don't ask.
So we get all this. Here guys, so I'm just gonna put this down here. This is actually quite good for the theme. I wouldn't say it's quite worth the price. We paid about £15 for it. And this is all we get. And an iPad.
A broken iPad. It's like one of the best.
Yay, let's play it.
Okay, let me play it. I'm a hacker.
Okay, shall
Don't
I
get me monetized tires, you know. There you go. Hold on. A break. No, you're not allowed to record.
What?
The PS would.
What is it? Is it 999226? Right. Okay, so we get this Nokia iPhone, Nokia.
And a kicken.
We get another Nokia.
Got a kicken.
We get some Nokia charging cables.
A kicker.
And my Game Boy Advanced little games.
And we got kicker.
We also got some thingies.
Black song.
Then we got a Nokia pad.
We got a squishy.
This is not sticking to the theme. What is this? I thought we were going to get kawaii stuff.
Like these totally kawaii stuff with the wee
Look at this. It's adorable. And then we're getting this. What is this?
What even is that? Oh my god, rabies. And another rabies game.
I think it's actually quite cute though. Like, it's a stick from a
cat.
kawaii dress lollipop.
Look, they killed a cat.
Quite cute. Like murderous.
How dare they?
Like murderous. I am like murderous. There's just a bunch of non-kawaii things left in the box and another Game Boy game. That's literally it. Actually not terrible considering the other boxes I've seen are literally just these kawaii bears. Oh, kawaii. Yeah, kawaii. They're not giving me squishies and all. What are they? No, we want this stuff.
They're kind of scary. Like, look, they want to eat. They're having a stick.
Yeah, let's put this back. I don't want this. I'm only I'm keeping the stick. Yeah, I like my kawaii dress lollipops. But
We can put a Alexa on there, send them back.
isn't that?
Even though it said no refund.
It's actually quite quite decent compared to the other ones I've seen out there. Since this one's got a few little Game Boy games.
And yes, we did.
And a Nokia. And a
yes,
few other Nokias.
I know you will never know our address because we covered it. Haha, suckers.
No, that was our first eBay mystery box.
Yes.
So we got a Nokia, more Nokias, an iPhone. So I think this is actually really cute. We're going to see the next box. It's got 5 stars, so I imagine it's quite good.
It
And
was
has
totally not
really cute stuff. What is this? It literally got 5 stars. What is this? Do you see? I would rate this about 4 stars. And then this one here is nothing. No, 0 stars. It's not a bit cute.
What is this?
Not a bit cute.
We have all these Japanese little kits.
Yeah, let's see what's inside this. This is
Not
not
sponsored.
This is not cute. What is this? Okay, I don't. The other thing was really nice. We got a few little Nokias.
Nokias.
I know. Nokias. And I know we're just getting this non-used stuff. Right. Exactly.
I feel offended.
Yeah, I thought we were going to get something used. We got quite a few colouring pencils, even though they know very well that Alexa has enough, because Alexa is really rich. Alexa has quite a few of those. Yeah,
If you like our new background, subscribe.
Yeah, that's our
And if you don't like our new
background.
background, subscribe.
Now, let's see. What if they have no feelings? I have no feelings, do you remember?
Then
From
subscribe.
Bulk Count.
Then they have to subscribe anyway.
No, do you remember from the original Bulk Count? I have no feelings.
Oh yes, that thing.
So,
The little
Yeah.
deco.
it's definitely not worth the money. I don't know. I think they're all liars from the dark,
And it's
mysterious
thousand.
web. So that's just, I don't like the dark, mysterious web.
How much was this anyway? I forgot.
This was £1.
Wow, this is about.
I think I'm gonna
This
pay
is.
that
Look
much.
at this. What is this?
Thought we were gonna actually get something, whereas I paid £20. Not the best in the world, but sure look.
What
You got a Nokia, a Nokia, a Nokia, a Nokia, and a Nokia, and an iPhone. So I think, and an
a Nokia.
Nokia, yeah. I think it was actually quite good this box.
Alexa, I think she passed out.
No, but we got a few Game Boy games. You know the Game Boy.
I found the Game Boy.
Yeah, the Game Boy. We just put it in. Yeah,
Magic.
let's play on
Yeah,
our
the best
Game
game ever.
Boy. No, I play Game Boys usually most of the time. I don't really play with Nokias. They're quite expensive.